Okay, today we're going to be installing this Rennline phone mount on this F10 BMW 5 Series. Pretty simple install, should only take a couple minutes. We just need our T20 Torx bit, and that's about it for tools. As you can see, we've already installed the magnet and the ball to the vehicle specific bracket. So to begin, we're just going to take this piece of the dash apart. Really simple. All you have to do is give it a pull and the clips will just pop out all the way along to the end. Okay, so our phone mount is going to install behind this screw here, just like this. So all we have to do is undo this screw. Put our phone mount in place. Just going to make sure we line the bend up with the seam on the trim, like that. And we're ready to reassemble. Okay, so we just want to make sure the pins are all lined up, along with the divider between the vents in the back. And then we'll just give it a good push. Phone on, and you're good to go.